Hello, this is TechTube. In this video, I will show you how to get Udemy premium courses with certificates for free using Real.Discount. Real Discount is a website that provides free Udemy coupons and zero broken links. You can find thousands of courses on various topics and languages on Real Discount. Let's get started. First, go to the Real Discount website. You will see a list of categories and a search bar at the top. You can browse the courses by category or search for a specific topic. To get a free coupon for a course, click on the course title. You will be redirected to a page with more details about the course, such as the curriculum, instructor, and requirements. You will need to sign in or create an account on Udemy if you haven't already. Once you are logged in, you will see that the course price has been reduced to $0 and you can click on Enroll Now to add the course to your account. You will also see a message that says you have successfully redeemed your coupon. Congratulations, you have just got a Udemy premium course with a certificate for free. You can repeat this process for as many courses as you want on Real Discount. You can also check out the other categories and languages on Real Discount to find more courses that interest you. Real Discount updates its coupons regularly and removes expired ones, so you can always find fresh and valid courses on its website. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you for watching and happy learning.